Thank you. Alright everybody, what is up? It is Friday, I think. Here's the deal. The scoop. The 401k. Wait, that's not right. I legit was just like looking for my seatbelt. Oh my god. Anyway. So I do get a lot of comments about this bike. Mostly from people that are looking to start on getting a motorcycle and want to know if they could start on this. And I mean, I guess it really does depend on what you're trying to do with it. I quickly realized that this thing on the highway, like, I don't know, going down the interstate, going through Atlanta and stuff, you know, it works fine. Like, there's nothing really wrong with it. But the wind is kind of insane past like 80 miles an hour. And I mean, like, if you're hitting like 80, 90, whatever, that's fine. But when you're sustaining that and you're driving like me, who has like a 3-hour commute, if I take this to my college, then it gets a little much. I mean, I can do it. I'm used to it. It's not like, oh, I can't do it. I can't take it. But like, yeah, it's kind of a hassle, I guess. But I mean, if you were just taking this thing like I am right now, just taking it through town, you're just staying around town, you know, or you got like a short commute to work or something, then like, yeah, this thing is awesome. It's great on gas mileage. I mean, it's still plenty fast. I know people are like, oh, it's not a super sport. Like, yeah, 600 can outrun me all day, but I mean, I can outrun most cars. Like, and I mean, what do you really need that for? If you're being a responsible adult, this is a great bike. Which brings me to my next point, why I want to get why I want to get a 750. Like, I was looking around, some people actually know this because I've talked to them. I took my bike to several shops, like, got different trade-in values, and was looking to see if I could get, like, a used 2012 to 2014-ish, like, GSXR 600. Because they have remotely the same trade-in value as this 2017 Z650. But unfortunately, the retail values are just not there. And I don't know, it's not looking great. There would be no way I could do like just a direct trade this bike for an older 600. Which, you know, that'd be ideal. Because like, I wanted to start on this. I didn't want to start on a 600, you know? I didn't. I mean, this is great, and I can still ideally keep this for a while. The main issue why like I really don't want to pay more money to trade this in is because how much I bought it for. Like, I bought it new, and I mean, I paid a lot. Like, out the door price was quite a bit. Granted, I got a lot of stuff with it. You know, I got a lowering link because I'm short. I got the installation for that lowering link paid for with it. I got the helmet, I mean, tac title, obviously. And the biggest thing was the service plan. It's like 36 months. So, I mean, this bike is going to be well taken care of. I can bring it in to get service or whatever and not have to worry about it. Because I was new to motorcycles, still am. I'm still new to motorcycles. I wanted to get that service plan because, I mean, it was a good deal. It's just a lot of money, but at the same time, like, I don't really know what I'm doing yet, so it was a good deal to me, at least. You know, later down the road, when I'm comfortable with everything and I can practice and, you know, really do all the stuff on my own, it's not going to be an issue. I can just go buy, like, a used bike, whatever, take care of it, run it into the ground, you know? But, yeah, anyway, it looks like that's not really going to happen. Why are we going so slow? Anyway, it looks like that's not really going to happen, so I'm probably going to end up keeping this bike, at least for the rest of the warranty. You know, have it for a few years, And hopefully when that, 2018, 2019, whatever model it's supposed to be, the new GSXR 750 comes out, I'll just be comfortable enough to just go buy that, Maybe trade this in for a couple thousand or sell it for a couple thousand, whatever. But get my money's worth out of riding this thing and just be happy with it, because I can't complain. Like, this is an awesome bike. It really is. It's so much fun. I've always wanted a motorcycle, and this is super thrilling and super awesome. It's not like my dream bike, which ironically isn't really that special. It would be like the GSXR 750. Like, I've sat on leader bikes, not really my thing. Also, with me being super short, that's also a big dealio. But I mean, yeah, this is not me. So I think like the GSXR 750 is like my ideal bike. Like, more than enough power than I'll ever need. Super fun, my kind of styling. I'm probably gonna customize it, like I do everything I own. But that's just me. But anyway, yeah, I guess I'll be keeping this bike for a while, so you'll probably be seeing it on this channel for a good bit. It's good to own a motorcycle, and like those of you who have one, no matter what it is, like you can fall in love with it, even if it's a death trap, you still love it. Some of you, I don't know, some of you have like really complained, but it's about specific bikes, not bikes in general. I know, like, once you ride, it's hard to just be like, yeah, you know what, motorcycles aren't my thing. And, if that's you, whatever. But this is awesome. It really is. I know Home Depot is like a mile from here, but I just smell straight sawdust right now, or like wood, like fresh wood. Like when you walk into Home Depot, you know what I'm saying? Probably not. Anyway, it smells like wood. Well, I'm actually pretty sure I ended my last moto vlog on this little stretch of road, but I'm gonna have to do that again. Anyway, guys, that's really it. I just wanted a little update on me keeping my bike, I guess. Unless, like, I don't know, something could change. Like if I got some amazing offer or something, I could take it. That'd be cool, but that's probably not gonna happen. So I'll be keeping this back for a little while, just go vroom vroom. Anyway, guys, yeah, I will catch you all later.